My dear friend, today I will tell you how to learn English, right? So right, I am today very hungry, so I am thinking about what to make and how to eat. So here we have like some material to eat. I can see in this there is some rice, and you can see, my dear friend, in this there is a vegetables. In this there is a vegetable, and this is like this is tea. So with tea I can eat some biscuits or I can eat something. So today I'm very hungry, so I'm approaching about the various things, right? Or I'm also thinking about like I should make some what I'm thinking about, I should make some pasta, or I can make some Maggie to eat. So today I'm very hungry, so that is why I'm like searching about all the things, right? So here there are different kind of things are there, so I'm thinking about to eat something to eat because I'm very hungry. You can see this is refrigerator. So refrigerator, inside refrigerator there are so many things. I'm thinking about means I can eat something, or I, because I'm hungry, so I'm thinking, I'm searching about all the things, right? You can see this is refrigerator. So there might be like so many things for eatable, or I'm just thinking to make some hot and cold things. So what I'm doing, I'm very hungry, so I'm approaching about the various things. So for learning English, you must also become very thinking about all the things. You should learn grammar, you should learn vocabularies, you can get some practice with your friends, and you can visit you can visit somewhere. For learning English, I can I can read the books, and I can listen the things, I can watch something, I can communicate with them. Because I'm hungry for learning English. Whenever you become hungry for learning English, so you can do lots of activities and so many things you can do. So as you can see, I'm hungry, so I'm just thinking about lots of things to eat. So I've shown you many things, right? I'm showing you many things that I can do this or I can eat that things because I'm hungry. So because of your learning, you should also become very hungry for learning. So you have to apply, you have to approach about the various things. So whenever you approach so many things, then you will feel like, yes, I'm learning and I'm enjoying, and I should learn not from one way. I can learn English more than 10 ways, more than 20 ways, and you should apply and you should do hard work. Whenever you do, so definitely you will get to know about. So that's how you have to learn, that's how you have to become very creative. Throughout my videos, you will learn as much as possible, and in future I'm going to bring lots of creative things and creative techniques or ideas which will impact your communication skills, and you will feel great and you will learn as much as possible, because these are the real based training and situation which I'm giving to you, and you will feel satisfied and you will learn. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly share and subscribe my videos. Thank you so much.